Hello, and welcome to the series. In this first program, we're going to introduce you to the structure of the course and mention a few key points that we'd like you to remember. It'll only take a few minutes, but it is quite important. There are 19 programs in this series. Most of the videos include simple activities that are designed to help you apply what you've learned. The first 4 programs introduce some basic skills that you really need to understand before continuing with the rest of the series. The remaining programs teach a creative problem-solving process that you can apply in practically any situation. We recommend that you work through the programs in sequence. However, because this is a course on creative thinking, we also encourage you to experiment. So if you'd like to listen to all the programs first, and then go back to do the exercises, that's fine too, so long as you actually do the exercises. Skipping these would be a big mistake. In simple terms, it's the difference between going to the gym and just watching a video of people lifting weights. It's just not the same. Now, in order to help you complete the exercises, we've included a course guide. You don't have to use it, but it's quite a convenient way to remember what you're supposed to be focusing on and to capture all of your notes. We've been teaching creative thinking for a long time, and over the years, 3 things have really stood out for us. First, very little of what we teach surprises anyone. Basically, deep down, everyone knows how to be creative, even though they may not realize this. Second, very few people actually put their knowledge into practice, mainly because over the years they've developed the mistaken belief that they're actually not very creative, so they've tended to stop trying. Third, anyone can regain their creative ability. It just takes a bit of practice. And when they put their skill into practice, it can have truly astonishing results. Thinking creatively gives you new ways to solve problems, opens up opportunities, and changes the way you relate to people. So this series will basically consist of us telling you things you already know in order to persuade you to stop stopping yourself from being creative, and by doing that, to discover some truly amazing abilities that you already have. Now, we're not asking you to take our word for this. We expect you to evaluate everything we tell you and to test it against your own experience. In fact, testing things is exactly what we need you to do. Improving your creative thinking is all about practice. It's a bit like learning to throw a basketball. You can read about it as much as you want, but nothing happens until you actually try. Now, the problem with sport, of course, is that it can take a long time to play a single game, and time is the thing that most people are short of. So you'll be relieved to hear that these programs only last for about 10 minutes each, and you only need to listen to one every day. However, even though the programs are short and the exercises are simple, if you take some extra time to practice them, the results can be astonishing. Right, that's enough of an introduction. Let's get started.